Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Markets are showing a good trend, not a fantastic trend. As we can see in the Dow, it's trading relatively flat, but that's a benefit if you're a candlestick investor, because as long as we know that there is not any major selling pressure in the market, that we can very easily scan for the strong sectors or stocks that are not going to be influenced or not have the deterrent of selling pressures in the markets. So the Dow is trading up positive today, and the NASDAQ traded up positive today, keeping this J-hook type pattern, telling us the uptrend remains in progress as long as this market stays above the T-line. That's allowing for our patterns to work. We've been in these fry pan bottoms that have been breaking out, producing some very good and consistent profits. The nice thing about identifying a pattern is not only is it going to tell you which direction the price is likely to move, but the price movement is probably going to be a lot stronger than merely uptrending stocks in an uptrending market. And we can pick out what's happening in different sectors. Gold was trading up positive again over the last couple trading days. That has made some very strong buys in the gold stock sector. Notice how the best friend gap up and GFI stimulated our bullish recommendation. And notice how it kind of broke this trend right off the 50. This is the benefit of candlestick analysis, is that you can see exactly what the investor sentiment is at technical levels everybody else is watching. A Doji gap up, your best friend. The reason we call it your best friend is not only is the probabilities of an uptrend starting, but the strength of that uptrend is going to be very strong. That best friend is your best friend. So you can see the different gold stocks that you could be buying with the expectation of a wave 3. And knowing the strength of a best friend signal, especially at technical levels, instigated our recommendation for tomorrow on ALT. If it opens positive after a best friend breakout, anticipate wave 3 in progress. This is not rocket science. This is merely identifying the signals and patterns that the Japanese race traders have illustrated for us, that over the last 400 years, this is what happens in human nature. So your buys are relatively going to be relatively strong based upon if this market continues to move or stay above the T-line and move in a positive direction. The patterns that are breaking out is the result of investor sentiment not having any fear of any major selling, but they're all starting to come back into some of these trades with great enthusiasm. We can identify which of those trades are starting to show the strength. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.